What's up, guys? So I'm trying to finish up my door panel thing here, but Bryan just made it here. We're gonna do the steering wheel and hub and quick release and see how it comes out. I think the hub is gonna be good, but the quick release is the one I have my doubts. I don't know how it works. It looks a little iffy. The hub looks solid, and then he got a legit NRG steering wheel because you don't want to fuck around with those. The ones from eBay are pretty iffy. You've seen those videos where they just kind of fold all over the place, so you don't want that to happen. So get a nice steering wheel. The hub shouldn't be too big of a problem.
Get a nice one, a legit NRG steering wheel.
So we're gonna fit that one in there. We need obviously safety first. Since you're messing with airbags, take your battery off, disconnect it, so you don't have a chance of blowing that thing in your face. That's gonna suck. So right now Bryan is gonna try to take the covers off of it, and then we'll take the steering wheel and the airbag off and put the new one in. Let's do it.
T50 security.
T50 security. They're gonna be, you pop the two little plastic covers here, and then it's gonna be one right here and then one right there. You take the two of them out. It's with a T50 security, and then the whole airbag pops off. Now we just need to do the bolt in the middle, which I believe is a 21. So I already grabbed a. Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you might need to get on there real quick. Did it pop off? Yeah. Right?
Yeah. I think it's a little bit too big, bro.
It's a little too big?
Yeah.
Okay. Check, yeah, maybe grab a 20. Okay, it looks like the 21 is kind of coming off. On my Mazda, it was a 21, so that's why I was saying to use that one. We're trying to keep the wheel straight so you can take it off, and then we can put the other one hopefully straight.
Right there?
Yeah. Alright, so now it's kind of loose. Kind of surprised it was still hard to like take off. So we're gonna shake it. I need to disconnect this eventually. Alright, so the wheel's completely off. We are gonna have to check because we're not too sure on this one. So mine is a little too old. It didn't have any sort of airbag to begin with. So we're gonna look online really quick just to see if we need to take this off, which I think we do, because the hub that we have, it's not gonna fit in here with this on. So we probably need to take it off. I have the what do they call? Oh man, I forgot the name of it. Basically, the resistors that can trick the car into thinking we have an airbag. We just close the loop in there. So if we need to, we can add those in there. But for right now, we're gonna look on this one, and then we'll come back and finish it off. What do you need? So that's the whole airbag system, I guess.
There we go.
So another thing we need to find out is where we need to put the resistors. I got the resistors. We might need to put some in here to trick it into thinking that you have an airbag in still. Then that way you won't have the light.
So how does it tie down to whatever you turn it? That's how it just goes?
Oh yeah, you put the nut back in.
Okay. Bucket?
The nuts coming in place.
Steering wheel, I mean, it looks straight. Should be alright.
I don't know, man. It's a little iffy. I feel like it shouldn't have any play. That's what this one said, right? Pick up 240. Yeah.
Maybe once you tighten it down, maybe it'll. Alright, so this eBay quick release, I had to drill the hole slightly bigger. We made it work, Captain.
Okay, so we finished putting the eBay hub and quick release on Bryan's truck. So just to compare it, so I have the Energy kind of whole setup right here. This is the quick release version 1, I believe. And then I have the short hub installed in here, which is all pretty nice. It's pretty good quality, I would say. I mean, it's kind of worth the couple bucks you're gonna spend on it. Bryan went with the Energy steering wheel hub, and then also just with the eBay quick release and the eBay hub.
Light is off.
It's off? Nice. So then we just finished installing it, and it actually looks pretty nice. The hub matches the steering wheel, which is awesome. The quick release is a little finicky, so you twist, you press the button and twist it, and then it comes off. But I mean, it works, I guess. Yeah, it works. So we did have to modify it a little bit. He had to drill a couple of this ones from the bottom.
Yeah, just these two. Just
those two?
Yeah, just slightly bigger.
He just made them slightly bigger because they were not matching up with the holes on the hub. I mean, it's a cheap part from it, so I guess they were not super perfect with it. But outside of that, it just bolted straight on into the other hub. The hub was a little bit loose at the beginning, which is something we kind of noticed. It's a little bit concerning, at least to me. But now that he tightened it in there, he likes it. I'm not seeing the play that it had before, so then it's not too bad.
I'm content with it.
So
what it is.
All in all, I think, you know, with the steering wheel and the hub, you're looking at maybe what, 200 bucks or less than that?
Yeah, about less than about 180.
About
180, 190.
Yeah, okay, so about 180. Or if you go with the Energy steering wheel, hub, and quick release, you're looking at about
$240, $300.
No, about 300 bucks. Yeah, depends what kind of steering wheel you go with. But yeah, you're looking at about 300 bucks, you know, all in all. So it's not bad if you're trying to save a couple money. You know, he's trying to like maybe not spend a ton of stuff on this because trying to keep it a little bit on the cheap side. But the hub looks really nice. I actually really like the hub. It kind of hurt us a little bit, so when you're installing it, make sure you're not grabbing the hole that's here, because that will pretty much eat your skin alive. So it's not bad. He's gonna go drive it a little bit, test drive it, but I mean it's pretty good overall. I guess we'll see how it holds up over time. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you at the next one. What's going on, guys? So I just wanted to add this little clip to the end of the video and give you the reason for the title of not buying the eBay stuff. The quick release was actually worth it. It didn't seem to cause any sort of trouble after we just did the small fix on the back of it. It was working fine. So that one we would recommend, but I still don't feel you know, safe enough to want to recommend and give you guys a link for that one. The one that we did have an issue with was the hub. The hub definitely was not working. Like I said, during the video we noticed it was a little bit wobbly. After we put the nut in, it seemed to be better. But as Bryan kept driving the car, he drove it for about a week. A couple days into it, it seemed like he noticed some play in it, basically. And that's obviously not good for the steering wheel. You don't want to have any sort of play. You don't want to have it slipping or anything like that. So we ended up taking it off. That's what it was. He ordered the NRG stuff, and we're gonna have a video. I'm gonna link the description to the other video on how to install the NRG stuff and what kind of parts we use for that one. And for those, we'll definitely give you guys any links for the stuff we use. For today's video, I don't want to do it. I don't think it's safe, and I don't want to put you guys and give you a recommendation on something that, you know, could potentially cause your vehicle or you to be in an accident. So please don't buy the eBay stuff. If you want to risk it with the quick release, that's going to be your choice. But just something to keep in mind. We'll link to the video either below or at the end of this one for the NRG stuff. So just keep your eyes for that one and go check that one out instead. It's going to be a lot better for your truck, and it's just going to be better quality stuff. You're gonna spend a little bit more money, but you're gonna be safer at the end of the day. So hopefully we'll see you guys. Go check out the other video. And if you like what we're doing, please leave a comment or subscribe or give us a like, thumbs up. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.